The Gestures control allows you to answer calls, switch music and noise cancellation mode, adjust volume without turning on the phone. When you receive a call, pinch the earphone to answer the call. Pinch again to end the call. Pinch twice to reject the call. When listening to music, pinch the earphone to play or pause the music. Pinch twice to switch to the next song. Pinch 3 times to switch back to the previous song. Hold the earphone with your hand and swipe up or down to adjust the volume. The swiping area is in the front side of the earphone. Pinch and hold the earphone to switch the noise reduction state. When you switch to noise cancelling, click the mode below. You can choose Dynamic Mode, which can automatically adjust noise cancelling based on your surroundings. You can also click Gestures in AI Life to set your swipe and pinch control, customize different functions for each earphone, and have your own shortcut settings.